And then no to the man who will go song with you walk up apple, come all the blood clot. If you need image, you don't have no image. Them bag of old clothes they are wearing now go work. You need that image, girl.
In the ceiling, good night.
Lava, good night.
Blood clot. Finger wave.
No, one wig.
They make wig in a finger wave.
You never know. I don't know sense. And I've
shut and laugh.
all the wig by you never see one in a finger wave.
Where you going with that?
No, they don't know it's a lava. You know, some young people always have problem of foreign though.
Oh,
young people, Wagwan Lagos, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Lagos, all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Lava. Batman there, we do news, right? And the Batman go live film me one time. And the first one man ever go live film me from I know myself. And the man go live film me, right? Alright. Mm-hmm. While I only there on the live and hear teacher say how long me know him and how long him know me and the whole night. And you hear me tell say Lisa hype my friend. Oh. Alright. Why did she come here and she remember me tell you now? It's an ongoing thing before she reach her foreign. Right. It's an ongoing thing. You understand me? Me and this Batman I go back and forth. I'm call him she. You understand me? So right. Anyway, no lava. Mm-hmm. I want to understand me. I say, anyway, no, me and the man did have a problem. All right. I go so now, and me and him not good at all, because if you go live for me first, it's not going nice. Mm-hmm. Nobody knows that I'm not pretty. And it's my friend, I'm going to cut him off, because I say I'm not good, so I'm going to cut him off. All right, now. Mm-hmm. What do you say like Lisa, they are foreign, right? What do you say like Lisa, they are foreign? All right. I go up on our live.
Where call Wadi?
Sometime last week.
Okay, continue.
Is it me? Yeah. Sometime last week. So now, when I go up on our live now, I don't know, someone will probably see it on YouTube, kind of banking mix up. You see me I come from? Where the same man now, when me and him not talk, none at all. You see me? When me and him not talk, try to take the phone, to lock up our live. Anyway, she said, me and I have a friend, right? Said, me and your friend now, you're supposed to call me and tell me say I'm wrong. I call him and tell him say I'm wrong. No. Lisa I not do that. You know where Lisa I no? Lisa I on her own life for IG and come and talk about me I do it for the cloud and me I do it for troll. I can't do nothing for cloud and I can't do nothing for troll because me Nikki Blakks, you can Google me on YouTube a long time me viral from before you can go live for IG, from before you can go live for Facebook. But at my birthday party, we have million views real quick. Million views real quick. You understand me? Real quick. Lisa have no song we have million views. Lisa have a song we have million views. The only song where Lisa have we have million views. And the two songs that I can't tell girl. She don't have no more song we have million views. She don't have no more song we have million views. And I lie me I tell. She come back now and say me is a bully. Alright now. Oh, am I going to be a bully for your man? Oh, me going to be a bully if somebody will go lie for me first. If him go lie for me first, you know. Bully are people where people afraid I know. He said him go lie for me first. Me can't be no bully. Because bully afraid of people, that means I'm supposed to pray that me door. Alright, I'm supposed to be afraid of me door. Listen to a song where we reach million views. Listen to a song where we reach million views. The two songs where Lisa have reached million views, the two songs where she do with Cartel. And Cartel band bench her for 10 years. 10 years in bench her. Him just do back one duo with her one year. Well, at 10 years, don't do that, girl. You're not a hype, you're not no image. You need that image first. You need that image in a real life. You're supposed to penetrate for your career. A foreign, the world I will live, and you come a foreign, I want to come in a people problem in a foreign. No, girl. Worry about every female DJ we bust after you. Worry about Aisha we bust after you. Worry about Jada Kingdom we bust after you. Worry about, right next one, name? Shensia, we bust after you. Worry about Coffee, we bust after you in a one go. Yeah, struggle girl. Stop walking fast in everybody's business. Every day about Facebook, of course, everybody about IG. You know, of course. You can't, of course, girl. Get that image, girl. And if it was a real baby mother happy, who not smoke. Good baby mother don't smoke when they're pregnant. Them don't drink and them don't smoke. You understand me? Don't do it, girl. Can have no hit song. No. When Mr. Lava, no. You know,
Why pan chat and laugh? Why chat and laugh?
Because me not wait from last week for your show. Me not wait for last week for your show. Lisa supposed to worry about her career. Look at Spice and Platinum. Every song what she do with teacher. Look at Ali, the one that she got jail go do with him. 70 million views. You understand me? The next one, 30 million views. I be a million. She not be trouble, don't trouble her. Worry about you, girl. Worry about the man we don't, when I happy say I breed female. Worry about the man we are hide. Say I breed female, them don't want to come up front as a happy father. You worry about that, like you're sad. You're sad. You're sad. I'm just like a sneak preview, girl. I'm a sneak preview, because since you said, oh, you don't see that talk to me, so I talk to you now. Uplift your career, girl. You're so one cocky will pies your whole career for 15 years. And you come out here still depend on the man before you go somewhere else. Now go show you how she fool. Find cute rider for me. Find cute rider. Or about find cute rider. I'm going to listen word for word. Find cute rider, no? I mean, the people them see why shout to love the drive. That's my cute rider. Nobody never trouble Lisa. Lisa girl, the first time Lisa come on Miami and Nikki Blakks poster party there. And me first care upon people radio. Take care and go on your life.
Ever since I met you, everything is so...
Ever since I met you, I shouted that, right? Everything be so fine, dog. Okay, and your mother died working. Because our mother dead, dog.
Okay.
Alright. Play some more. Find the next part.
as I see my way to
When just say?
Love a girl, you know, ripe and body cute. Don't watch a girl was suck off the wood.
Alright, let's say another word. No, say another word.
Yeah, me say, right? Yeah, me say. Yeah, me say.
Listen, man.
No, me not in this. Just stop. Me exit. That's their thing. Me not in it.
Listen.
Me not in it. That's their thing.
Me never style a girl yet. Me never style Lisa.
Me not in it.
So I say, if you come now, and you come after now, and you say, alright. You see one little problem I go with me and somebody. The problem now have nothing to do with you. No, and you're going to lie for me first and I talk about, what she say? Oh, me I do it for troll. Oh, me I do it for troll. And me I do it for cloud. Oh, me I do it for cloud. Eh? Oh, me I do it for cloud, girl. And me have regular birthday party with 1 million views. I have 100 songs. You can't reach 1 million views. I'm going to teacher. Only with teacher, girl. Eh, Lava, come here, man, come in and select a long time, the man style, man. You don't realize you don't style who style you. You trouble who don't trouble you. And you can't trouble me because I don't trouble you. Because me I come with a fax, girl. Let me tell you, hold on. Let me tell you how much female boss are for you. I know you know boss. I Shana, I should have a hit. Dobby Magnum, a ball out. Dobby Magnum, have a hit. Coffee, one go. Rabbit. Sensia, have a hit. All the angel have a hit and I have no hit. Because guess what, you know? You're the only artist who always depend live across people. You never see Spice across nobody. The only time she go live is just for a baby father when you want straight him. Get your life together, girl. Your son the dog on the way. So, alright now. Teacher, come back now and try to get straight. No. Teacher, come back and you know what you find for me? You know the first song when I'm doing Gaza Slim? Introducing Vanessa Bling? Yeah. Because remember, you know, teacher name everybody, you know. I just you say a first lady, you know. You can't be first lady, you know. You can't be first lady, none at all, goodie. Or if you be first lady, there is Shorty. A Shorty run the business. A Shorty have the checkbook. A Shorty have everything. So, oh, you for be first lady. You be all Shorty great. Shorty all I'll produce pool little youth. We're out there, we have to make our own money. Understand yourself, girl. When you jump, don't jump on me, because I don't trouble you. But always big you up. Lisa, remember, say, Bar Beach and beat in a foreign, you know, Lisa. I will wall it, you know. Because we say Gaza, I will wall it, you know. And I'm not me, I will wall it, you know, girl. Because I never trouble you, know, girl. My youth, me never trouble you. Me never trouble you, my youth. Me never trouble you. And when Dobby Magnum mash her up, when Dobby Magnum mash her up at Atlanta, and they met liar called Dobby Magnum, the people them, they said the video can't move. Don't do it, girl. Figure for your feature. Because listen, God tell him name me Gaza Muma. And him say AKA Nikki tell dog. Alright. Him name Gaza King dog.
Right.
You hear him? Gaza King dog.
Right.
Alright. Hindu. What him say? Gaza Hindu dog.
Dog.
Then she want name Lisa, him never name her.
Buckler, boy.
Him never name her.
This was a setup.
Boy, the one we can't tell her introduce Vanessa Bling. Him say, introducing Vanessa Bling. as Gaza Slim, him introduce her to the world. And look about some
Introducing Vanessa.
one gone and next one born. And that's more I started from.
Gaza.
So all the man just straight to Gaza and a film cocky suck. Something alright. Something alright. Him not supposed to show you because a peep golden cocky in your mouth. You can't suck a platinum cocky and no boss, girl. My youth, if you suck a platinum cocky and don't boss. Look on Kim Kardashian. She don't want sex tape and she get husband and children. And you don't want cocky video. So I want platinum cock and can't boss. Don't do it, girl. It's just a sneak preview. Remember, say Gaza Slim get up and have song by herself. You understand me? Remember, say independent ladies don't stop playing. You understand me? By herself and it go over 1 million. You understand me? She do enough by herself. Remember, say Gaza Slim, amen. Them song they still a play. The only way Lisa song them play, when Lisa go on IG play her own song them. We don't hear Lisa song them.
Clad, man. Come on, a bumbo clad, man.
No, I fox me again. Me not style her. She style me not style her. But everything I talk, if you go and Google it, you will see it. A fox me talk. Good fox. I 10 year in bench her for. And if you listen to the cute right there, listen every word them one, the whole I go listen it. And we see if I like me I tell. The whole I go listen every words I hear.
So basically like you do some research then.
Me not just research, me a real Gaza girl. Play my Gaza tune. I want to see me not send it come give you. Me get for them. Want to you. Me a real Gaza girl. And when them kick her out. Remember say when teacher kick out she. Remember say when time Rhino left. Remember say when time Javinci left. Remember say when they regroup. When they do the Empire song. When them do the Empire song in the regroup, that means that who if they have right to them regroup and them are real Gaza. The other song they for me who trouble your girl.
Hold on there.
But don't trouble her, Lisa, let's go with her life. But guess what? Mr. Friend, come part in my business. Everything else, me no business with you. But you shouldn't take side from you don't know people from nowhere. You come up and find and do 100 make it at the $20 with them. At $20 for the rig them up at Greg's store. I know you are quarantine at $14.99 for them. Don't play with me, girl. Don't play with my girl. You're broke, girl. You're a broke artist. But as you go look work because member people. It's what they used to have the show when them give away name. Award show. Ask anybody. They have 3 trophies, 3 years in a row. You understand me? Number 1 female from radio. You understand me? I'm still getting a trophy for the best female host. So what kind of trophy Lisa ever get from chicken at the business? What kind of trophy? What kind of black cat she ever get? Where she ever get? Talk to me. Where she ever get more than a big cock in her mouth where stuck down her blood clot to a damn song?
Why chat and laugh though?
We don't care.
People, me not really have no luck. My beg on no some mix me name. Please, my beg on no.
Me never trouble live, everybody can go for the live, them see it.
People.
If anybody goes to the platinum cocky, the platinum, the best of all time we ever seen a dance hall.
Stop it nice.
Hear me a cinnamon. A Gaza.
Hold on. Me don't have a feature dub. Me have dub for Rhino. You understand? Me have dub for Shanta. He never give me no dub for she. He never give me no dub for she. You're a struggle girl. You know, see, you're not.
Hear me a cinnamon. A Gaza government. I represent for Nikki Blakks. And I'm finna see the teacher talk.
They said that woman they put me a
represent for Nikki Blakks. And I'm finna see the teacher talk. I wanna like that dead. Rhythm pimping.
Play your Gaza. Fully Gaza. We're not party of Gaza. Everywhere listen your body you have to be a lady. A lady the man want. Be yourself, girl. Me never trouble you. And you trouble me. Me never trouble you. Lisa go like you want this, but look at nail polish pan her nails them. Look at nail polish. Cause me know she don't know him from nowhere. Me not ask Christ. She don't know the man from nowhere. She don't even have 20 flights till she come and find 20 times. Don't do it, girl, cause me don't trouble you. Meaning anybody.
She don't have what?
Listen, you see anybody that pay a live with their Florida, them can tell you. You see once more walk in, is a Gaza showcase. So you see anybody would have make our song play on our new album, it would have been me. You understand me? Because me deal with the thing. So it's a damn cartel, and then they start go like them want to play cartel and alliance. I say them can't play ask anybody. And me, Nikki Blakks, make sure say him play. You understand me? And I don't trouble you, because I just thought the wood now, and them show it at Gaza now. Remember good now, you know. And Nuffy ask the man, say, all right, we can push our career, and then tell Nuffy, say, all right. So Nuffy lick me now and say, Mama, Now watch your face, you know. You see me, as much as teacher push her out, him still give it okay so we can deal with that thing. So nothing now start saying the thing them come give me for deal with fair thing now when me on the radio. Understand me? I told me that deal with that, me never trouble her. Me never trouble girl. I always help her with her career, me never trouble girl. So if you get up now and talk about, oh, me I do it for clout, and me I do it for troll, and me a bully, the wrong choice of word that girl. The wrong choice of words that girl. And the wrong choice of word that, and the wrong choice of word.
How long ago was this?
Some day last week or something like that. But I couldn't get that whole of your picture because guess what me know? I never really want to do it because some people say, oh.
So I'm going to ask you a question. So someone from last week said, couple of days, look how long last week gone. You never really come over here and say, well, I never come over here and say, you just love it alone.
Me don't think so, but listen, so. I was so I could start, because something that go on in here. When I go road, every time I go road for it happen, somebody out the road will say. There's somebody, I'm just saying, oh, Lisa style. Lisa can't style me. And the last time, Lisa come a friend and then put her on the show of the luxurious. And the dirty sneakers she have on, the sneakers, but no, so she come a fire with the dirty sneakers. Cause I never foreign dirt, the part that a Jamaica dirt. I would don't appear no mind, you understand me? I would don't appear no mind. You need one image, girl. You need one image. Somebody if you run an IG fear. You understand me? Cause the cussing every day cause people that now make no sense. Why not bring no money? You understand me? Why not bring no money? You must supposed to advertise. Why do you get up here cause Gaza government? But yet still, a Gaza government here lean pan. You can't do that, girl. Look on Gaza Slim. Eh? Look on her. She got on her own Charlotte Christian song. Charlotte Christian song and still get 3.5 views. And she get Christian song. You understand me? So you should have branch of goodie that they cut the spies now. So. And then no to the man who will go song with you walk up apple, come molly blood clot. They need image. You don't have no image. Them bag of old clothes they wear now go work. You need that image, girl. You can wear old clothes, you can wear cheap clothes, but the way how you put it. Guys, you know some girl can just put on a jeans and a t-shirt and them still look good. There's some girl can just put a jeans and a t-shirt and one pocketbook. You see me? And them still look good. These sort of as a one don't look like she asleep with dog. You know, so she angry for what day. She not worry with the man who breathe her and not look for her, you know. She not worry with him none at all. The man with named Casper, we still in the back when I be proud. You're an artist, a man supposed to proud to know that you and me breathe after the body now walk front. And you miss with everybody. You understand me? Everything you jump on. Hey, you're ready for jump like some bulldog. You know, so jump, so don't do it, girl. You need that image. You need that image. You cost everybody by your IG. Every time you turn around and you throw a word, you need that image, girl. That's not going to get you nowhere. That's not going to get you nowhere. That's not going to get... Look how Gaza Slim, humble. Look how much views that girl have. Look how much views that she have. What heap of views she have? Look at Spice. You ever see Spice that answer nobody? Eh? You ever see Spice that answer nobody? Never. You never see Spice that answer nobody. Only you alone like some ghetto artists. You know, some ghetto artists. Some ghetto blood clot artists, you're some ghetto artists. You don't have nothing about you. And you come and find out by one roll for blood clot vehicles for $14.99. Like, well, where? You shouldn't trouble me, I don't trouble you. I don't trouble you. Me say what Nikki Blakks would push your career. Me CM1. And you know that I'm strong like that. Me CM1. Ask anybody from my life right now when they have to tell you. Once Nikki Blakks walking, Cartel have a play. After play and don't stop playing. You understand me? It's about me reach, I'm going to 5 minutes, I'm going to cartel, I start asking cartel. So Pierce, I'm going to play. Nobody now go on Vivo, nobody now go on them plot there. Wherever go buy tune and spend $1 on your girl. Nobody now look good for your money, because I know see you look for your money when you put your music on Vivo, anyway you put your music. So I know, look good for your money. Nobody now feel only they hear a song that she go on her IG and sing them. No, you think supposed to tougher than that. No, don't do it, girl, I don't trouble you. I don't trouble you, you need to work. If you have something too long, you not get no time because look how long you need. You don't have one trophy. You don't have a plaque here to dance on. Tap your nice. You don't even have one single where reach million views. Nothing at all. If you go look work, girl, go look work.
Style.
You can't go look at work. I don't know if you go look work. You can't go look at work. That's sitting and suffer. Go look work. Go look work, girl. Go look work. Yeah. I'm trying to know me have the rest of something, but the rest of me talk. Remember now, don't come back and talk about the white BMW and the back seat of the whole night. Don't come back and talk about them something. But I know you come back, you know, somebody I wait for your patient. You need some work. Come and find like some mad woman about that, some mad people close in that work, girl. And they can't find no work, everybody's going to find work. They can buy 2 little chicken and go and go to 2 little chicken and sell egg and money type of people breakfast and still get our money. You understand me? At the end of the day, you say Ragging King have a little farm. That means they're not full liver for dancer. Go do something, girl. Go do something. This is not going to work for you. Go do something. This is not your line, girl. You can't do a hit, girl. Find a hit. Girl, find a hit. Find a hit, girl. Look up. We can give all of the rest of female them. We have a hit. Find a hit, girl. A real talk. Find a hit. Aishana have a hit and she's after you. Dobby Magnum have ball out. Ball out nation. Dig up the ball out nation. Dobby Magnum come and go rope. You understand me? Chensia is you understand me? Jada Kingdom, D Angel. You understand me? Coffee. Come on, girl. We are doing the business. See Ashanti and Muir. I come up there. See there, look on all the next one where she name Gaza Slim still I do feel like think over there so and wow, everybody that's after you and all of them just can't get over 1 million views for a single and all of them is after you. All of them is after you. But look at work, girl, you need a it. Yeah. You look at it, me never trouble you. But always having them beat you upon beach, me hold it. As a Gaza government, I hold it. You beg me for hold it, I will hold it. So. And you talk about which bad girl, you mean which girl, you don't know which girl, same girl. I'm telling my youth, I never trouble you. Don't come and find, come by your people argument. You're supposed to come and find and try to make everybody, spread everybody so them can play a song. Find the people that have strength. We can strengthen your song them and push them further and make sure so them play in a dance hall. Because a song now play in a dance hall. Amen, we play. The one with Cartel and Gaza Kim. Amen, player. Independent, they have money in my pocket, so that's playing at every dance. The guys are playing at every dance. Spice playing at every one of them. Every dance. When they reach that segment, them they have to kill you. You understand? You know, girl, do something with yourself, girl. Do something with yourself. You don't care, Dava. And the truth right there. And the truth that everybody will look on it. If you look on and check the levels, you will see the truth. I'll tell you, Steve, you can't put Tanya Steve in our class. Eh? You can't put on your hungry that kill your blood clot while your broke artist hungry that kill you. You don't have no song where you can get loyalty, royalty, that casualty. You don't have no song where you can collect money off. No. Trouble when I trouble, I never blood clot, trouble, my eyes are cheer for you. And when you come back, what you have a blood clot, this a comeback is a good look. You see me? They even under your blood clot live. And I said, good girl, what, you're pretty? Yeah, you're pretty for sure. Me never hide that. She's a pretty little girl. You understand me? But the words that come out their mouth. You see me? No. So I give you one advice out of the whole of this. Take my advice. Good you don't have a hit song. Good you never have a song you that ever run on the top 10. You never have one song at the top 20. Never. You never have a song you that run on the chart. But let us try to show if you want to change your mind, it's up to you. So that little little teacher give you back now. I hope you take something out of it. I hope you can do better with that next lift away my dear. That's why I get a lift. Why do you do the song? Oh, I mean, teacher, Mama, where did there? Where did everybody get spice for it? Where did there? You know, see what spice do? The song, and when you turn back here, that's the, hey, yeah, 13 million views. Eh? The conjunction, that the one, they have 70 million views. Eh?
You can't take this somewhere.
Eh?
You can't take this somewhere.
And it's just barely sorry, fear down at the bottom just so I give you 2 little song. As I get the 2 little song, you go like you want style shorty, and I go on, like you want style shorty. And him just come back and do it. Why do you think Shorty love Cute Rider? Just listen to the words of Cute Rider. We spend me at that about. Whenever listen to the words, you can also listen to the rhythm. You know the man I say, them all run, go breathe and can't mind fitness. Listen to the voice of Cute Rider. Me not to say teacher was style and the whole of teacher style. Yeah.
I'm done with this.
Play back Cute Rider and I say, I like me, I tell her.
Nikki Blakks, we're done with this, Nikki Blakks. Can't bother no more. Nikki Blakks, we're done with this. We can't bother this no more.
Don't trouble who don't trouble you. Teacher name me, never name you, you name yourself. You're pro self-claim. You're the first Gaza yet to get kicked out. You're the first Gaza yet to suck out who will come out live. Live. Then shoot you out.
Ever since I met you.
Alright, go listen it now. Lower. Lower. Yeah, so me I wait. Good night, people. I must take me care. My body not real blood clot life. You know, so my out pan ban. Body never beat me in a family yet, and the body never beat me in Jamaica, but don't take beating. That me say. Body not real life, bad stuff, lava. Body not real blood clot life. I'm not chatting mouth. It's too enough. I don't talk already. The body want to learn. I know the must call up our phone. And me I wait, because remember, you don't really be call about me and know him. And I hope the man where you think say I feel him, I hope I really feel him. Yeah. Later lava, lazy people, don't leave me alone, I don't to the people. Yeah. Look there.
No. Oh.
Yeah, because I don't know, I never trouble Lisa. Yeah, just like you tell everybody when them, you do it, everybody say, no, I just not talk to her. Yeah, I just not talk to you. Where? Long time they must shit you from your guys. Cool. You're not the first lady, you're last lady. Don't do it. You're last lady. Don't do it.